Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Retta Styles, and check this out. I'm showing you guys how I styled this 5x5 Brazilian body wave wig that I made using my hair. And this wig is so beautiful, y'all. When I tell y'all, these Wandcurls pop, okay? This is just me showing you guys how I styled this unit. 5x5 HD lace, really simple, cute, and easy. I mean, the quickest video you probably gonna find. Okay, I think you guys going to enjoy this. It's just showing you guys how to use a wand curler. Simple, cute, give you some really cute bouncy curls that's for the girls. Okay, so yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Okay, you guys, follow my hair page. That's where I do majority of my promoting. And yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. So here you guys are just going to see me combing the bundles down. I did spray heat protectant on the hair, so once I start wand curling and bumping the lace, melting the lace with the hot comb, everything will be fine and the hair will not burn. So here I am just melting down this lace with the hot comb, and then I'm going to hop straight into wand curling the bundles. So I usually wand the hair towards the face. This is the right side that I am working on. And I hold the hair in my hand for a while after I remove the wand, just so that the heat can hold into the hair a little bit. And then I spray it with spritz, and then I let the hair just hang and let it do its thing, okay? You guys are going to see me do this over and over in this whole video, okay? This is how you wand curl. It is so simple, and the curls are going to be so pretty at the end, y'all. Stay tuned and keep watching to the end. And again, this is a 5x5 HD lace closure Brazilian body wave that I am using here. So in the beginning of the video, I actually said that that was the right side. That was actually the left side that I started on, and I was curling towards the face with the hair. And now that I am actually on the right side, I am curling away from the face. You guys are going to see me do this technique on the entire right side. And yeah, watch till the end to see the finished product, you guys. And I know y'all peeped the glove on my hand. If you're going to use a wand curler, I do recommend using the glove because this thing gets hot. So on the opposite hand that you're not holding that wand curling, get that glove, baby, and wear that glove. You're going to thank me. You guys, do not hesitate to follow my page. My hair page will be listed here. I make wigs all the time, sell them. Hey, I will ship them to you. Look, it's yours, baby. And here I'm just finishing it off, melting that lace down, making sure it's nice and flat. And that's pretty much it, you guys. You're gonna see me fluff it out. And yeah, look at them wand curls. They are popping. If you guys like what you see, do not hesitate to subscribe, y'all. Like, comment, let me know how you like. And thank you all for tuning in, okay? Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.